I mean, for me, what really became noticeable was over the last 4 weeks, since the first week of March, being here in Bangkok, as I'm sure you've noticed, there are some people who almost always have masks on because of the pollution or just in general. But it was about 4 weeks ago that you noticed. First, it was 50% of people had masks on, then 60, then 70, and now I'd say 95% or more of the people you see on the street are wearing masks. I started wearing a mask, I want to say, about 3 or 4 weeks ago. Everybody's been really on it in that respect. Public transit, the MRT and the BTS are practically empty. You've got seats to your right and left, so social distancing isn't really a problem for the most part. At rush hour, it seems there's still a good amount of people on there, but I mean, Bangkok is a shadow of its former self. Businesses closed down in two waves. First, it was the massage parlors and restaurants, if I remember correctly, and then it was the malls, and that caused tons of people who are migrant laborers or people who didn't come from Bangkok, who were just here to work. They all just left in a mass exodus several days after that happened because they simply couldn't afford to stay, and that it was a bit distressing because at the bus stations and at the train station, social distancing was impossible during those times. But I've never seen Bangkok so empty in this way. And of course, now today would have been the first day of Songkran, Thai New Year's, which is a big party, the world's largest water fight is how I like to describe it to people. And this is the first time it's ever been canceled in living memory, I believe.